Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best budget drones that are available on the market for their true value and quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have ranked them based on popularity, features, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. Alright, so without further ado, let's dive into the countdown. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Adir drone with camera. This lightweight yet feature-packed drone is perfect for beginners and intermediate flyers alike. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera that can be adjusted remotely, it provides a decent entry-level option for aerial photography. The inclusion of a trajectory flight function and 3D flips adds fun and versatility to your flying experience. Design-wise, the Adir drone is foldable, making it a convenient option for travel. It also comes with 2 batteries, which extend the total flight time to approximately 25 to 28 minutes. While the materials are mostly plastic, the build quality is durable enough to withstand minor crashes. The optical flow positioning and stable hover system make it user-friendly, especially for those just starting out. In terms of performance, the Adir drone excels in stability and ease of use. Features like one-key takeoff landing and gesture control make it accessible to new pilots. However, the 1080p camera, while decent, lacks the clarity and sharpness of higher resolution options. At $42.49, it offers good value for those on a tight budget or looking for a gift for kids or beginners. The included carrying case is a nice touch for portability, rounding out the package well. At number 4, we have the Velcase 1080p HD foldable drone, another budget-friendly option that punches above its weight in features. This drone comes equipped with a 1080p HD adjustable camera, enabling you to capture decent quality aerial shots. What sets it apart is its FPV first-person view capability, which allows you to see real-time footage via the Velcase VGO app. The inclusion of gesture, photo, and video modes adds a layer of interactivity, making it fun for kids and beginners. The Velcase drone is designed with portability in mind. Its foldable frame and lightweight build make it ideal for on-the-go adventures. Despite its budget-friendly price, the drone includes thoughtful additions like 2 batteries for extended flight time, 26 minutes total, propeller guards, and a carrying case. The one-key takeoff landing and optical flow positioning make it incredibly user-friendly, while features like 360-degree flips and trajectory flight add fun for more experienced pilots. On the downside, while the Velcase offers a good set of features for its price, Its camera quality and stability don't match those of more premium drones. Additionally, its build, while adequate, feels less robust compared to higher-ranked competitors. At $45.99, this drone is a solid choice for casual flyers looking for an affordable, portable, and feature-packed option. Coming in at number 3 is the Loyly drone with camera, which stands out for its 2K HD camera and beginner-friendly features. The 2K resolution provides sharper image quality than other drones in this price range, and the 90-degree adjustable angle ensures you can capture a variety of perspectives. The FPV capability allows you to connect your smartphone and enjoy real-time video streaming, making it a great option for those interested in aerial photography. The Loyly drone is compact and foldable, making it easy to carry around. Its lightweight design ensures you won't need to register it with the FAA, and it includes 2 rechargeable batteries for a total flight time of about 26 minutes. Features like altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key takeoff landing make it particularly user-friendly for beginners. The optical flow positioning adds stability, ensuring smooth and controlled flights, even for first-timers. While the Loyly drone offers excellent value, it does have limitations. The build quality is serviceable, but not premium, and it may struggle in windy conditions. However, for $44.99, it delivers an impressive combination of camera quality, portability, and user-friendly controls, making it a great gift for teens, beginners, or anyone looking to explore drone photography. In the runner-up spot, at number 2, we have the Foldable drone with 1080p camera. This is the most affordable drone on our list, but it doesn't skimp on features. It comes with a 1080p HD camera and an 80-degree adjustable lens, making it suitable for basic photography and even practical tasks like roof inspections. The inclusion of gesture control is a standout feature, allowing you to snap photos or record videos with simple hand movements. The Foldable drone is lightweight and foldable, making it easy to transport. It's equipped with 2 batteries, providing up to 25 minutes of flight time. Safety features such as emergency stop, propeller guards, and low-power alarms make it a reliable choice for beginners, while its intuitive controls, including one-key takeoff and voice commands, ensure a smooth learning curve. The 3D flip function and multiple speed settings add a fun element to the flying experience. While the Foldable drone is a fantastic choice for its price, it does have limitations. The camera quality, while decent, doesn't compete with higher-end models, and it's best suited for casual use. At $39.99, this drone is perfect for kids, beginners, or anyone looking for a fun and affordable introduction to drones. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the DJI Mini 4K. This premium budget drone is a game changer, offering features that are typically reserved for much higher-priced models. Its standout feature is the 4K UHD camera with 3-axis gimbal stabilization, which ensures stunningly smooth and professional quality footage. Whether you're capturing sunrises or sweeping landscapes, the DJI Mini 4K delivers unmatched image quality in this category. The DJI Mini 4K is incredibly lightweight at under 249 grams, meaning it doesn't require FAA registration for recreational use. Its build quality is exceptional, with a sturdy yet lightweight design that can handle winds up to 38 kilometers per hour. The 31-minute battery life is the best in its class, and the 10-kilometer video transmission range offers unparalleled freedom for exploring vast landscapes. Features like auto-return, GPS stabilization, and intelligent quick shots make this drone incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. At $299, the DJI Mini 4K is the most expensive option on our list, but it's worth every penny for those serious about aerial photography and videography. Its combination of advanced features, build quality, and ease of use makes it the definitive choice for both beginners and hobbyists looking to elevate their drone experience. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect budget drone to suit your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below with your favorite pick, and And don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy flying!